And welcome back to the Word Conscious Classroom, where we are consciously and deliberately building our students' vocabulary knowledge and word consciousness. Today, we're working with the prefix "ac" and "ill", the roots cumul and lumin, and the suffixes "airy", "ate", "ation", "escient", "osity", "ative", "us", and "us". Now, the prefix "ac" stands for to, toward, or near. The prefix "ill" stands for in, into, or not. These prefixes in nature are directional. Then we have the root cumul, which means a mass or a heap. We also have the root lumin, which means light. The suffix airy means that which, someone, or something that belongs to, of, related to, or one who. So that has a lot of possible meanings. Ate, to make, to act, one who or that which. Ation, an action or process. Essent, which is becoming or having. Osity, which is state, quality, or act. Ative, which is tending to or performing. Us, which is having the quality of. And finally, us, which is a thing which. Okay, now it's time for us to make some words. Let's make cumulative. So we have our cumulative. Cumulative. Here we go. Cumulative. And that is tending to or performing in mass or heap. So cumulative, tending to or performing in a mass or a heap. The ative is serving as a connector to our root. So cumulative. It wouldn't sound right if it was cumulative. That would be a little awkward. So we add that connecting sound. Okay, let's make illuminate. So we have ill, and then we have lumin, 8. Now in cumulative, we didn't have a prefix, but in this word, we have a prefix, illuminate. And that means to make light in or into. So illuminate, to make light in. When you turn on your light switch in your room, you illuminate your room. Okay, let's try accumulate. So now we have accumulate again. Accumulate. So when you accumulate, you make a mass or a heap to. So to make a mass or a heap is accumulate. And that happens over time. People tend to accumulate possessions over time. Now it's time for me to give you a definition, and let's see if we can build the words. The process of lighting up. So now we need something with a process. So we know ation is an action or process of lighting, lumin, up. A process of lighting up. So we need ill again because that is lighting in. So illumination. Oh, illumination. The process of lighting up. Illumination. Okay. Let's try one more. Let's do cumulus. So we have cumul, us. cumulus. Oh, not that us. That would be the wrong spelling. And that us is having the quality of. So this would be having the quality of a heap or mass. But in this case, we want a thing, which is a heap or a mass. A cumulus. And there is a cloud known as cumulus clouds. Wow, you did a terrific job with this lesson. Don't you just love learning new words? I know I do. And the more prefixes, roots, and suffixes you know, the more you increase your vocabulary. Well, keep tuning in. We have a lot more in store.